Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, this correction, downtrend, lower leg, whatever you want to call it, continued yesterday. Uh, for me, what this is just basically sell rallies mode. If there's a rally, I want to sell it. You got to be patient. I want to be long the rally, but I want to be long the rally with a mind towards selling into it. We continue to fail at, um, at key pivot areas. Yesterday, there were double pivots that I noted in the pivot post in the commentary there. The 2275 was a double pivot. That wasn't violated. Today, we've got triple pivots. The 3-day, the 20-day, and the 45-day that are sitting up in the 2015 area. We've been walking up since about 4 in the morning. We had a pop reaction off of the ADP news, and that took us as high as 1425. So I'll be watching that 15 area very closely. If you can get over 15 and keep that as support through the morning, then you start to look back at 2275 from yesterday, which happens to be the 9-day pivot today. The proprietary levels, the lower levels, been working very well. We've been getting, really good trades. That's a nice way for subscribers on down days, and they work conversely on up days. On down days, you make that bias. Very typically, it retests within a handle or so of that level, and then fails. And you set a stop above, and that's a great way to get back in or get involved in a down day, and that's worked beautifully all week long. So, if you want to understand how those work, come on in, take a trial. We'd love to meet you. There's a ton of new people starting, so it's a great time to start. You'll be learning with a lot of other people, so I would recommend that. On the downside, yesterday was 2009 half was the low. It needed to survive the day. It couldn't. Today, that number is 1984.25. If 84.25 survives the day, then on a move back over 23 half, then it starts to look like we've made that higher low that I was discussing the other day. Because in reality, look at this chart. We are in an uptrend. We did 1813, 1961. We continue to make higher highs along the way. And the chances that this pullback is simply another higher low, that's a much higher percentage outcome than saying 88.75 is the high. That's it. We're done. We're going to make a major pullback. That can always happen, but I would argue that's a lower percentage outcome. And in trading, you at least want to be leaning in the direction of the higher percentage outcome. Control your risk so that if the higher percentage outcome doesn't pan out, you don't get murdered. But it's always better to expect the market to keep doing exactly what it's been doing, and that's higher lows and higher highs. Okay, everybody have a great day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trading well, everybody.